In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here. Now to add any other one, click on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top you can select any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!